Hello, everyone. My name is Shamir. I'm currently employed at a behavioral health hospital working with adolescents from ages 12 to 17. I have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice as well as a master's degree in criminal behavior. I currently, well, in the past, I've worked with Child Protective Services as well as a case manager for drug court. I am also a certified alcohol and drug counselor. I would have to say I enjoyed my last class, which was research methods. And the reason behind that is because that class was very challenging for me, um, somewhat difficult for me, and it really pushed me and challenged me to do my best and step outside of my comfort zone. So, and I enjoyed the challenge, and it made me, want to be in this program even more and reach my goal of, um, graduating and obtaining my LCSW. Um, I'm looking forward to this class. It seems that it will be interesting. I love to learn new things, so I'm just looking forward to see what the course offers and what it can add to the education and knowledge that I already have. I look forward to working with you all and good luck in the course.